All right, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna insert a clip right now. All right, so we just made that pull, right? Pretty hellacious pull. Mind you, this car is only on 7.5 pounds of boost. So this car is only making like high 300s to the wheel right now. So like this is not my kill setting. Like this is not super fast right now, but that's probably the first time that I've made a 5th gear like pull in this car, and you just saw the needle just constantly moving. So I thought that was pretty cool, but I had noticed I had a slight coolant drip lately. Well, I just parked this car here for about 5 minutes and let it run for a second because the oil was probably really warm and I didn't want to leave that in the turbo. We have us a coolant leak, fellas. It is disgustingly wet outside. It is the next day. We'll talk more about the radiator later, but I got a package in the mail. If this is what I think it is, this wasn't supposed to come for a while, actually. So let me take it inside and I'll show you guys. For your precious car, this is coming from Japan.
All you hear in the background is Dalton.
Yeah, Dalton yelling in there playing Apex. What do we have? Lexus IS300 Altezza most viewed list. Alright. Well, if you guys can't tell, we have something here for the Lexus. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up too. This is something that some of you people have been pestering me about for a while now. But brand new factory OEM leather shift boot. Pretty nifty. Has a little plastic seal ring already. Completely new. Nice looking leather. Super soft. New looking on the inside. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll put this in pretty soon. Whenever the rain stops. All right, babe.
I don't know, baby. I look gross today.
Alright, so today we're going to be messing with some headlights. Got water, headlight kit, drill, got to mask off the headlight, and yeah, so we're going to go ahead and mask off the passenger side headlight and go from there. Because as you can tell, it is quite foggy from how long this thing has been sitting down waiting on the transmission swap to get finished. Alright, so we have the headlight masked off now. I'm using the mother's kit for this, so we're going to attach the little plate to the drill, and it's got the little sanding pads and whatnot. We're going to go ahead and get this thing scuffed up a little bit. Alright, so we went over it with the 800 grit starting. It's got a nice even hazy finish to it, and now we're going to go on. I think the next step is 1500 and then 3000 and then polish it out. Alright, second stage is done. That's 1500 grit. And it's hazier, but noticeably less yellow than the other side. So, gonna keep going. I think the next stage is 3000 and then polish out. Alright, so my drill is starting to die, so we got just a light coat of polish on here. But so far, compare that to that. And it already looks a lot better. So, my bumper hardware kit should be here, I think, tomorrow. And then so we can get the bumper over here cleaned up and mounted up. And we're going to install my shift boot as well pretty soon. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this battery up and we'll do the other side. And I'll show you guys that since I already talked about each step. I'll probably just end up putting that side over there on a time lapse because my GoPro is dead and I'm recording this on my phone right now. But the GoPro will be charged up when I do the other side, and we'll just put it on a time lapse and show you guys every step. All right, we're back out here again. Drill fully charged up, ready to get on this. I'm just going to time lapse this side so you guys can see what we do. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up and then I'll start the time lapse. And there you have it. Almost new looking headlights. They definitely look a lot better than when they started, because they were all completely yellow and oxidized. So that's cool. But let's see, today now we are waiting on the bumper parts kit to come so I can put my bumper back on there. And then as well, we're going to be looking in the next couple of days for something that can insulate my transmission tunnel, because I don't want to put that new shift boot in there and all that heat still come up, because this is a manual swapped car. So there's usually a plate underneath the shift boot that covers the transmission tunnel, and I can't find one for sale anywhere. So okay, so had to delete some footage because it corrupted. I don't know what happened, but basically the headlights are done. We got our new bumper hardware kit. So this has all of the different little odds and ends that we need to put my bumper back on. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet, but basically video is editing now and going to throw this in there as well. Lost some footage due to corruption, so we'll be back to get the new shift boot installed and the bumper put back on in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe for more. If you're just now checking into the channel, give the video a like and comment. Let me know what you guys think about the car so far, and other than that, I hope you all have a great day. Peace.